What's up, my stylish people? This is Shank. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about building your accessories collection for 2000 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. That includes a watch as well. This is going to be a super short video. I got you guys covered with one watch and one ring chain and 4 bracelets and of course a ring. I feel that accessories are the one that can make or break an outfit. And always make sure that the accessories should complement your outfit rather than they being the standout options. A quick disclaimer guys, don't expect any miracles when it comes to the overall quality. These are the budget options and you may need to replace them maybe 5 or 6 months because you're not gonna use them anywhere throughout the day, and also ensure that you take care of them nicely. Having said that, starting with the option number 1, I think let's get the watch out of the way because this is the pricier option. It covers half of the budget among the 2000 rupees, and it's one of my favorite watch from Casio. It is a Casio vintage series in this. This retails somewhere around 1295, but on Amazon I got this for a price point of close to 995 or maybe 1000 rupees. You can get them in Casio stores as well. Why I love this watch? Of course, it gives the vintage 80s and 90s vibe instantly, but not exactly that. When you're going on budget, if you go for the vintage classic retro options, it gives a perception that you are following the vintage vibe rather than cheaping out. And that too, Casio is a well-known brand compared to the other brands which you're gonna get at this price point. That's the reason I feel that this watch plays an important role when it comes to the overall styling and aesthetic purposes. Personally, I don't mind the width of this dial. It's a little bit small overall. In case if you're not a big fan of the Casio vintage because the dial is so small, I got you guys covered with the second option from Sonata. This is a blue leather strap option from Sonata. This I got pretty recently. On Amazon, it's actually listed as a couple watches. I'm not sure that you can get them as an individual option. I will make sure that I will check on Amazon. In case if I couldn't find, I'm so sorry guys. This watch I'm a big fan of because you can use this from semi-casual to semi-formal purposes. That's how versatile this option. Yes, it's not a genuine leather when it comes to the strap, but the strap quality is really great, and I don't see the need of spending anything more than this when it comes to this basic watches. Based on what I can see, I feel that the durability is also optimum for this one. Moving on to the accessories number 2, of course the chain. You guys ask me a lot when it comes to my Zara ring chain. It's not in stock anymore because Zara released them 2 seasons back and it costed me 1790 rupees. However, I got you guys covered with a similar option. You can find all the links in the description below. This one I got the chain separately as well as ring separately. In case if you want to wear just a chain without a pendant, you can use the ring normally as you would. But in case if you want a ring chain, you can combine both of them and can use as a ring chain. This is as close as it gets when it comes to my Zara black chain. Overall, the chain is little bit thick and it's not exactly a pitch black color. It is somewhere in between that space gray as well as the black color. That's a minor point you need to consider. This chain I got for 200 rupees and ring I got for maybe 150 or 160 rupees. For a price point of 360 rupees, you can get actually a ring chain. Of course, a ring as well. Moving on to the next accessories. Of course, bracelets. In your accessories collection, I personally suggest you guys to go for at least 2 options when it comes to bracelets. Of course, the first option would be a metal bracelet, and as the chain I got is of black color, I made sure that I also got a black metal bracelet as well, which costed maybe 180 or 200 rupees. And then along with that, I got a silver bracelet because most of us have silver chains, at least silver colored chains. That's the reason I got 2 of them. These bracelets, even though they are listed as the stainless steel options, I doubt that because of their price points. When it comes to the overall quality, what I can see, I feel that it's good enough for that price point. As mentioned earlier, don't expect miracles when it comes to the overall quality. And moving on to the next 2 bracelets, of course you need to have beaded bracelets as well because this gives an overall casual vibe to your outfits. If you are pairing a casual outfit, of course the beaded bracelets are the way to go, and I got 2 of them, and that too in the neutral colors white and black with a differentiator of single bead in the opposite color for both of them as well. As is said, looks super cool guys. Of course you can go to H&M and you can get at a similar price points of maybe 700 for 3. Here I got 2 of them for 350 rupees. Overall, I feel that it's a great bargain. I personally feel that these should be more than enough when it comes to the overall accessories collection, and that too for a price point of 2000 rupees. But to be honest, I mostly have Zara and H&M accessories in my personal collection. As you guys asked me to do on budget, I have gone with these alternative options available on Amazon. I hope you guys found this video useful, and if you did so, don't forget to click the like button, and also, you know the drill, subscribe to this channel for more content like this. That's it from me. See you next time.